Over half of your jar of Nutella is sugar and oil. Nutella, I love you, but we can do a little better. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, toss your raw hazelnuts onto a sheet pan, and chuck them in your oven for about 10 minutes, giving them a little stir after 5. Once the hazelnuts are cool enough to handle, but are still hot, pour them onto a clean kitchen towel and rub them vigorously to remove most of the skins. You don't have to get them completely clean or anything. Add the nuts to a blender and process on low until chopped into small pieces. Continue blending while gradually increasing the speed until it looks like nut butter. Then we're going to chop up some 70% dark chocolate and microwave it in 30-second intervals until melted. Toss that in along with a little bit of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and that's it. A delicious chocolatey hazelnut spread that's actually like 95% hazelnuts versus just 13% in Nutella. And it's delicious. Oh my God.